Squarespace SEO AI tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the AI tool integrated within Squarespace into your SEO results or correct the SEO faults or mistakes that you have committed or they have been flopping around into your website. So we're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to head over the dashboard. As you can see, we're going to select the website and click on go to. So once we have also did that, we are going to head over here and we are going to head over the parameters or the settings. Click on it and we are also going to search for the marketing tools. Now here we have the SEO appearance, metapixel, and ads. So we can go ahead and click on SEO appearance and it is going to show us the SEO tools. You can see the traffic of your website by filtering daily, monthly, or weekly. We have also the SEO journey, which is going to read their SEO checklist, add a 5-country website, see some suggestions that you can find here and there to optimize your website well. And also you can add an FAQ to boost visibility in AI generated search result. So it is going to be a mini hub for SEO for your website. So no need to get outside your website to know the SEOs. It is not going to be completely depending or independent, but it is going to be do the 80% of the work. Now, as you can see, we have the SEO completion score, so we can get an idea about the pages with metadata and also the images with alt or the alternative text. So the images with an alternative text are going to help you a lot to get the attention of the search engines. They are not going to be having a search engine that read images, but they read the alt text for the images. If you have a website full of images, they are not going to read it correctly, but they can read the alternative text only. Now, for the pages with metadata, I mean by that they have the H1 titles or the heading 1 titles that will help a lot to generate the, let's say, or the traffic or the keywords. Now, let's go ahead and improve with the AI some of the faults that we have. Click on improve with AI. I'm going to click on OK on the introduction and we're going to see some of the reviews. So we have review SEO metadata. As you can see, we have here something that we can regenerate or edit. These are going to be the SEO metadata. This is the first thing. I can go ahead and accept and click on save and continue. And here we're going to view the alternative texts for the images. This is a generated alternative text. You can regenerate, edit, or do whatever. If I click on edit, I can go ahead and create some of the, let's say, optimized styles, or I click on regenerate and it is going to work like this. When you finish, click on save and it is going to be something like that. So the completion score is going to be 100%. This is something that the website is going to read inside of it because they have been implementing a lot of things. Basically, for the metadata and also the alt text, it is okay. But if you see 100%, that doesn't mean that the result is accurate 100%. Because maybe some of the alt text or the preview of the metadata are going to be a little bit, let's say, outdated or not that attractive. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.